Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video serves as your guide in solving for the slope, rate of change, writing equation of a line, and identifying the equation of a line if it's parallel or perpendicular. And before we start, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more math videos and tutorials. Let's take this example. Find the slope of a line that passes through points -1, 4, and 1 and -2. Let's label it as x1, y1, x2, and y2. In solving for the slope, let us use the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And this time, let us plug in the value of y2, which is -2, minus y1 is 4, divide by x2 is 1, minus x1 is -1. So if it's negative, do not forget to put it in the parentheses, then simplify. -2 minus -4 is -6. Divide by 1 minus -1 is 1 plus 1. Then this is -6 divided by 2 is equal to -3. So this is the slope of a line given these 2 points. Next, let us find the rate of change given the table. So this is almost the same as the first example, and the formula that we will be using is the same. y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So let us label this as x1, y1, x2, and y2. Then plug in the value of y2. 16 minus y1 is 8. Divide by x2 is 4 minus x1 is 2. Therefore, the slope is 8 divided by 2 is 4. So the slope or the rate of change for this data is 4 in minutes and distance. How about the equation of a line with a slope of -2 and a y-intercept of 5? So let us write the equation in slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. So this is very simple because the slope, -2, is the value of our m, and the y-intercept is 5, which is b. So this is simply y equals m is -2. So we will just plug in -2 to m and rewrite x, and then b. The sign of b is positive, so therefore that will be plus 5. So the equation of a line given a slope -2 and y-intercept 5 is y equals -2x plus 5. Then let us identify if these two equations are parallel. Remember that the definition of an equation that has parallel lines is their slopes are the same. So looking at the slope of the first, that is -1/2, and the slope of the second equation is 1/2. Are these two slopes the same? No. So therefore, these two equations are not parallel. So if you want to check, you can use Desmos calculator. How do you write an equation of a line given a point and an equation? First, let us label this as x and y. And this is parallel, then the slope are the same. So let us identify the slope. The slope of the equation is 3 over 5, and the given point is 5 and negative 1, which is x and y. Again, you can write this equation in two ways. The first one is using the point slope form, which is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So we will simply plug in the value of y, which is negative 1, and the m, which is 3/5, and the x, which is 5. So therefore, this will be y plus 1 equals 3/5 times x minus 5. How about if you are asked to write it in slope intercept form? Okay, so first, just like what we did last time, find for b. Or you can just rewrite this. So for b, we will use the slope and the x and y. So this is y equals mx plus b. Y is negative 1. The slope is 3/5. And x is 5. So let us find for b. This is negative 1. Then cross this out. Then we have 3 plus b. And then get rid of 3 by subtracting 3 on both sides. So cross this out. So b is equal to negative 4. And after that, write the equation in slope intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. So y equals, the slope is 3/5 x, and whatever the sign of b will be the operation here, minus 4. So the equation parallel to y equals 3/5 x minus 3 is y equals 3/5 x minus 4. If you want to verify and confirm, graph these two equations in Desmos calculator. This time, we will identify if these two equations are perpendicular. Remember that the equation of a line perpendicular is their slopes are negative reciprocal. So, in this problem, we will just compare the slope of the first equation, and the slope is 4. And how about this? The slope is negative 1/4. So let us see. This is 4, and the opposite sign is negative 4. And since this is a whole number, its reciprocal is 1/4. Okay? So therefore, 4 and negative 1/4 are negative reciprocal. Then your answer is yes. The graph of these two equations is perpendicular. So for this, let us write an equation of a line that passes through points negative 9 and 2 and is perpendicular to this line. So negative 9 is your x and y is 2. And this is the equation. So the first thing that we should do for our first step is to identify the slope, and the slope is 3. Then after you identify the slope, you have to get its negative reciprocal. This is positive, we will make this negative and flip it. Then the negative reciprocal of that is negative 1/3. You will only get the negative reciprocal of a number if you are writing the equation perpendicular. Then, step number 2 is to find for b. Then, use y equals mx plus b. Then, y is 2. The slope is negative 1/3. And x is negative 9 plus b. And then, this is 2. 1/3 or negative 1/3 times negative 9. Then, subtract 3 on both sides. Cross this out. Then b is equal to negative 1. And your third step is to write the equation in slope-intercept form by plugging in the slope, which is negative reciprocal, which is negative 1/3, and b, which is negative 1. The other way of writing this is using point slope form. That is y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. This is very simple because we will just plug in this and y. And of course, you have to first get the negative reciprocal of positive 3, which is negative 1/3. So this is y minus y1 is 2. Then the slope negative reciprocal is negative 1/3. X minus x1 is negative 9. So you should simplify that. Y minus 2 equals negative 1/3 x plus 9. So if you want to know if our answer a while ago will be the same, you can convert this to slope-intercept form. If you want, let us see. Y minus 2 equals negative 1/3 x plus 9. So this is y minus 2. Distribute. We have negative 1/3 x. Then distribute. That is negative 3. And add 2 on both sides. So this is y equals negative 1/3 x minus 1. And the answer is still the same. Now, you will only do this if you are just asked to write the equation of a line perpendicular to, and you need to write your answer in slope-intercept form if you are asked to do so. So thank you for watching. I hope that you find this video informative and helpful. So please do not forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for my next math tutorials and videos. Have a good one, keep safe, and God bless you all. Bye!